In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Jira sprint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned agile practitioner or new to the methodology, managing your Jira sprints efficiently is key to keeping your team on track. Today, I'll walk you through every step you need to take in Jira to set up a new sprint from scratch. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. Once you're there, head to the section titled Your Work. You'll find this conveniently located at the top of your interface. This section is like your personal dashboard, providing easy access to everything you're currently working on and what's next on your list. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page if you haven't already, because it's a key hub in the Jira ecosystem. Next, you'll need to get into the right project space. Look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the Projects tab nestled in the navigation menu. Click on Projects to pull up a list that will guide you to everything you're currently working on or involved with. Now from this list, you'll want to click View All Projects. This option will allow you to see each of the projects in which you have a role, providing a comprehensive overview. It's a good opportunity to scan through and ensure you have access to the project where you need to create a sprint. Once the list of projects appears, it's time to pinpoint the specific project where you need to create your new sprint. Simply select your desired project by clicking on it. Remember, choosing the correct project is crucial because each sprint is unique to a specific project and team, and any adjustments are localized within that context. Now that you've selected your project, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll see the option for backlog. Click on this to open the backlog for your project. This is an essential section where all the unscheduled items are stored. From here, you can see all user stories, tasks, and subtasks that haven't yet been placed in a sprint. Looking at your backlog, you should see the Create Sprint button prominently displayed. Clicking on it marks the beginning of forming your new sprint. The sprint panel will open at the top of your backlog, prompting you with options to name your sprint and set some preliminary details. Your sprint's name should reflect the work being done, or the time frame if you're naming based on a typical calendar cycle. Once your sprint is created, you'll want to populate it with issues. Each issue in Jira represents a task or a chunk of work that needs to be completed. To create a new issue, locate the Create Issue option. Click on this to open the issue creation window where you'll be prompted to fill in the details, such as the issue type, description, and any other relevant fields important to your team. After filling out the details of the new issue, press enter to finalize and add it to your backlog. Consider this step like writing out the to-dos for your upcoming sprint. And don't worry, you can add more issues or adjust them later as priorities shift and needs arise. It's a flexible system. Once your issues are ready, you're positioned to start your sprint. Find the Start Sprint button to kick off the sprint you've just organized. Clicking this lets you select a time frame for your sprint, commonly 2 weeks, though this can differ based on your team's cycle preferences. Take this moment to double check everything is set correctly, because once you start the sprint, your team aligns to these goals until the sprint ends. And just like that, you've successfully created and started a new Jira sprint. Following these clear and straightforward steps will help you efficiently manage your projects and keep your team focused and productive. Remember to review and adjust as needed along the way, reflecting from sprint retrospectives to continuously improve the process. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful for your sprint planning. Handling sprints in Jira doesn't have to be complex, and with practice it will become an intuitive part of your project management routine. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to keep enhancing your team's productivity in Jira.